Google Ad is widely regarded as one of the most effective platforms for business to advertisement online, especially through search and the pay-per-click PPC model. Here's a detailed review of how search ads and PPC work on Google Ads. What are search ads in Google Ads? Search ads are the text-based advertisement that appear at the top or bottom of Google search engine result page. When user search for a specific keyword, these ads are triggered by user query and appear as a relative sponsors result designed to match user search intent. For example, if someone search for best running shoes ad from shoes retailer might appear above the organic result showing their product or service. How the PPC model work in Google Ads. Pay per click PPC is the pricing model behind Google Ads, where advertising only pay when someone click on their ad. They make PPC an efficient advertisement model as advertising are charged based on actual engagement rather than just impressions. The number of time the ad is shown. Google use an action system to determine which ad appear for each keyword. Search advertiser bid on a specific keyword and factors such as a bid amount, quality, source, which is based on ad relatives, expected click-through rate, and landing page experience, and ad extension determines is ad rank. Measurable result. Google Ad provide real-time data on key performance metrics such click impressions, click-through rate, CTA or conversion rate, and cost per click CPC. These levels of detail allow you to optimize campaign your campaign to get the best return on investment ROI immediately. Visibility. Search ad give you business instant exposures at the top of the Google search result, even above the organic result. This can lead to more click, website traffic, and potential more conversations, especially for competitive keywords. Customizability. You can tailor your search ad by using various ad format and extensions like site link, a call button, or location information, which make your ad more informative and clickbait. These customizations help improve the ad relative and increase the click of click challenge of Google Ad search. Cost of competitive keyword. Some industries like insurance, legal service, or real estate have very high cost per click CPC rates, offering the reaching $1 or more per click for competitive keyword advertising in this space need to have a higher budget to stay competitive. Need for constant optimizations to get the most out of a Google ad. You need to regular monitors and adjust or campaign. This include optimizations, bid adjusting, keyword targeting, improving and copying, and refining a landing page based on performance data. If you don't stay on top of the campaign, may not yield the best ROI. Although Google Ad is a powerful tool, it does come with a app learning curve, especially for beginning managing PPC campaign effectively. Regular understanding keyword research, bid strategy, and how to balance budgets and performance. PPC best practice for search ad keyword effectively. Keyword selecting is crucial. Used to like Google Keyword Planner to find a keyword that are relative, have a good search volume, and enable cost per clicks. Incorporate a mix of long tail keyword to capture more specific keyword relative and quality source to improve your quality source ensures your ad are highly relative to the keyword you target. Google reward ads that have strong click-through rate, CTR, and and by reducing cost and improving ad placement. Landing page optimizations, the experience users have after click your ad is just as important as the ad itself. Make sure your landing page is fast, mobile friendly, and optimization for conservations are the immoral agents. The landing page is the ad better your result will use negative keyword help ensures that your ad does not show up the or relative searches. For example, if you are selling luxury shoes, you might want to add cheap or free as negative keyword to avoid wasting click on users searching for low cost option. Test and optimizations are constantly A by B test different ad copy, heading and sell to actions CTA to find out what is not best for European monitor campaigns performance and adjust bid target and creativity based on your data.